Well, this video is going to be about my solar panels and how I put them together and the history of that. So I will talk to you while I show them to you. I've got 4 panels right there, and the brackets that hold the panels are made out of, you guessed it, or maybe you didn't, bed frames, even the ones that are painted gray. That's actually some kind of galvanized paint, and it definitely didn't work like actual galvanization, I guess that's the proper term. But I've had these solar panels for, I don't know, 20 years. I bought them. Some company was replacing solar panels in Albuquerque on a building, and these were the ones that were taken down. I got all 4 of them for $700, which was a really good deal whenever I got them. And I've hauled them around everywhere I've went, and I've built brackets made out of wood to, all the way up to this right here. In fact, let me see if I can get a good look at the bottom, because one time I took, yeah, you can see right there, there's 2 little round things hanging down to the bottom of each one of those. At one time I had taken and mounted them on poles so I could turn them with the sun. I used a HughesNet pole mount system for their satellites, and I welded those onto the back of those, and that's what I used. But if you see the wires here, they go around off the edge of the roof and then into a hole in the side of the house, and from there they go inside. And I'm going to go inside and show you what that system inside looks like, so that if you want to replicate something like this, you can. It's really super easy. So that's my system right there. There's your charge controller, and here is an inverter. It's 1250 watt, 3000 watt peak, and it just sits there if I ever need it. I can plug in lights to it and a million other things. I'm going to do some DC lighting in the house with some RV parts at some point. I've just got to buy the parts, sit down and do it. A little bit of wiring, it's easy stuff to do. Like there's a little hole right there that goes to behind my TV, so that I can run my internet, my telephone. Those are brought in on one line and powered by one device, so I can power that, my TV, and a video game system or something if I want to. I think that's a neat thing. I mean, the whole neighborhood could lose power, and if the internet's still running through the lines, I can have the internet and I can entertain myself or check, for any type of an emergency, or I may even be able to find out why we have a power outage for everybody else. Other people whose phone lines run through the internet, they can't even call and find out. It might be useful in an emergency. In any case, that's almost the finishing words on this. Let me show you my battery setup. There's my battery. I just have 1 battery at the moment. I had 2, but it's a marine battery. Marine batteries last longer because they can discharge fully and then still come back up to a full charge, and do that repeatedly without damaging the battery. Normal automobile batteries can't do that. But I made my own little connections, and the wires go up and into the roof over to that panel that I showed you. That is the simplest type of system that you can make for charging a battery, and you don't have to use all the panels that I used. In fact, I've got a little itty-bitty system. Actually, I've got 2 little itty-bitty systems that I can show you as well. So I might do that in this video. I might make another one. In any case, that's it for my built-in home power system.